Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an affordable 4-bedroom property. This is Thornton from Keepmoat Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Thurnscoe near Rotherham. It's a quiet area, but you get everything around. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your first floor, living, kitchen and dining. So exploring the living room first. So this is the living room which is coming towards the front. Very spacious living room. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and a TV set. You're getting a wide window towards the front, so plenty of natural light falls in this living room. The interiors done in this room also are quite simple and attractive. Overall a decent living room with really good space. Now from this living room, moving towards the kitchen and dining which are coming towards the back. The hallway is wide and lengthy. So this is the kitchen with the dining space. Towards one side you have the kitchen and towards the other side you can plan a dining table like this. The way they divided the kitchen space from the dining space looks really good. This makes the kitchen look much bigger. So towards this side you have this entire kitchen space, the worktop spread out on all 3 different sides. You can plan your fridge freezer towards the corner here. So from this kitchen you also have access towards your utility. The space looks quite okay. There's a worktop given and you have cabinets at the bottom. You can plan your washing machine and dryer. You're also getting the boiler here in this utility. Overall a nice kitchen with really good space. You also have the garden access through the French doors provided here. And of course you'll get a decent garden with fence around it. And just as you come out of the kitchen towards your left side, you have the washroom in the ground floor. The space looks quite okay. You have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. And just opposite to this washroom, you also have some storage space here. You can plan some kind of storage. They have provided a door and lock. So we covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. So this is the first bedroom of the house, or the master bedroom. It's a double bedroom. You can easily plan a double bed like this and you get decent room space to walk around. You're getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falls in this bedroom. Well, none of the bedrooms in this property have any attached bath. You only get a common family bathroom on the first floor. You can also plan a wardrobe in this room like this. I really like this mirror. It looks very heavy but pretty. So this was the first bedroom of the house. Now just beside this bedroom you have your common family bathroom. Again the space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and there's a nice window. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. So just beside your common family bath you have the second bedroom. This is slightly smaller than the master bedroom and slightly bigger than a single room. Well, you can plan a double bed like this and you get some room space to walk around. You're still getting a nice window in this room, so plenty of light falls even in this bedroom. You can plan this as your kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. And you can also plan a wardrobe towards the front like this. And just opposite to this second bedroom, you also have the third room. This is given in length. It's up to you if you want to plan it as your workspace, study, kids room, anything you want to. And in this room you have some extra storage space given, and they gave a door and lock. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom. So the third and the fourth bedrooms are given in length. You can plan a single cot like this and you'll get decent room space to walk around. You're still getting a nice window even in this room, so plenty of natural light falls in here. You can use this as your kids' room, guest room, study, anything you want to. So we covered all the rooms in this property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.